treats. I don't know, George, I'm some bird. Well, duh, that's why you know, Frank. Oh, George, here comes someone else. Oh, she's got food. You can share with us? I don't know. Try. Hey, Frank. Dude, she shouldn't be eating that food, man. She's kind of... What, George? I don't know. Dude, I think we need to take that food from her. What? Cheerio, chicken pepper. You look like a big clean bomb over there. Look at her drinking a Starbucks and everything. I know. Frank, dude, like, she must have a lot of money to get that Starbucks over there. I know. She's chatting with us now. She's too rich for that. No, I see that for sure. Man, Frank.
Do you have any manners?
What?
I still love you, John.
What, George? Hey, what's going on over there? I don't know, George. George, hey, Frank, what? Hey, George. Hey, here comes the mother slacker with a purple jacket on. What a bum. You don't know. You such a good? Oh, my goodness. Hey, Frank. Dude, we just got